In this video, we will explore the world of niche marketing and show you how it's possible to make money online with it. Niche marketing is the process of identifying a small and specific segment of a market and tailoring your marketing efforts to cater to their needs and interests. This can be one of the most lucrative and rewarding ways to make money online. The first step in making money through niche marketing is to find your niche market. This involves researching and identifying a specific group of people who have a common problem, interest, or need that isn't being addressed well enough by other companies. We will walk you through the process of finding your niche market and explore some tools that will help you find out what your potential customers are searching for. Once you've identified your niche market, the next step is to create a website that caters to their needs and interests. We will explore some tips for creating a visually appealing and user-friendly website that is optimized for search engines and designed to attract potential customers. We will also share some website builders and platforms that will help you create a professional-looking website without any coding or design skills. To attract potential customers to your website, you need to create valuable and engaging content that aligns with their interests and needs. You also need to make sure that your content is optimized for search engines, so that your website ranks highly in search results. We will explore some content creation strategies, as well as some tips for SEO optimization. The final step in making money through niche marketing is to market your website. We will explore some marketing strategies that will help you reach your target audience, such as social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertising. We will also share some tips for measuring your website's success and adjusting your marketing strategy accordingly.